Welcome everyone. Today we'll explore the key provisions for amateur station operator certification under the Telecommunications Act 2023. The Telecommunications Act 2023 marks a significant change in the regulatory landscape. It replaces the Indian Telegraph Act 1885 and the Indian Wireless Telegraphy Act 1930. This legislation comprises 11 chapters, contains 62 sections, and includes 3 schedules. The Amateur Station Operator Certificate is addressed in Section 47 of Chapter XI, miscellaneous within this Act. This section empowers the central government to establish regulations for certifying individuals to install and operate amateur stations. These regulations delineate qualifications, terms, conditions, examination processes, fees, and other related matters. To clarify, amateur services pertain to radio communication conducted by individuals interested in radio technique for self-training, intercommunication, and technical investigations without any financial interest. In summary, the Telecommunications Act of 2023 embraces modernity while ensuring the responsible use of radio communication. The provisions for certifying amateur station operators underscore the government's dedication to fostering a secure and proficient telecommunications environment. Stay connected responsibly. Thank you for watching High Tech Babaji.